Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and you make sure that your credit and debit card expiry date update. After update date, you can open setting and type on Apple ID banner name and scroll down. You can sign out. 1 minute you can sign in and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, and go back the next method, and you can again open setting and scroll down and type on journal. Scroll down and type on reset iPhone and type on again reset and type on reset network setting and enter your passcode and type on reset network setting. After reset network setting, you can check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Open your setting and type on Apple ID banner name. Scroll down, tap on media and purchase and tap on view account and tap on country region and tap on again country region and select your country. Anyone, I'm selecting United States. Read carefully terms and condition and tap on agree and tap on again agree. I am select none. Scroll down and enter your information: state, city, state and state. My state is California and enter your zip code. Enter your phone number and tap on next. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.